Here we have in stock available a Doosan DX19. This mini digger is 1.9 ton in weight. Quite a long reach. This digger comes as standard pipe for rock breaker, has a blade and an extendable undercarriage. Also has a swivel king post as shown. It has a very spacious cab, joystick control, tracking alarm, and comes with 3 buckets. It has a 3-cylinder Kubota engine and beacon fitted as standard. So the undercarriage is extended at the moment. There is a 2-year, 2,000 hour warranty given on this machine, and we have 5 years 0% finance. Come in store to view and have a test drive.